Hi, I'm Miss Prep, your English tutor. Band 8 vocabulary is not about using big, scary words. It's about smart swaps. No memorizing lists. No weird words you'd never say out loud. You already know the basic word. I'm going to show you how to swap it for a higher level word that sounds natural, fits the sentence, and actually gets you marks. Let's take the word damage and swap it for some higher level items. Listening to loud music for extended periods of time can impair your hearing. The scandal blighted the career of the politicians. Violence marred the celebrations. Swaps for the word bad. Drinking too much alcohol is detrimental to your health. It is dangerous to go out in the boat in such adverse weather. Explain. I don't understand. You'll have to elucidate. Call him to clarify the terms of the agreement. He was expounding a well-structured argument. Possible. It is just not feasible to spend so much money on promotion when we are already in debt. He presented a viable alternative to using oil as our main energy source. Stop. He was ordered by his boss to cease all communication with the rival company. The rescue team were ordered to halt the search due to dangerous weather conditions. Big. He made a substantial profit on the sale of his house. He made a considerable effort to change his bad habits and start to heal their lifestyle. Start. The meeting will commence in an hour. She initiated the discussion to clear the air. Difficult. He found the move to New York challenging, but soon found himself seeing it as home. He started the arduous task of compiling a list of supplies needed for the expedition. Slow. The market is sluggish today with no real change. The doctor was happy to see an improvement in the patient's condition, albeit a very gradual one. Reduce. He was told to keep his arm in a sling to alleviate the pain caused by movement. It is critical that she curbs her spending if she is going to buy a house.